नमस्कार बच्चों, आपको कैसे हैं? प्रार्थना के साथ हमको आपकी हिंदी की पढ़ाई शुरू करूंगा। हाथ जोड़कर आंखों को बंद कर प्रार्थना कीजिए। हे ईश्वर, हम बच्चे आपके सामने हिंदी की पढ़ाई करने के लिए आता हूँ। हमें आशीर्वाद करो। तुम हमें आशीर्वाद करने से हिंदी की पढ़ाई हम आसानी से करूंगा। हमें आशीर्वाद दीजिए। Then, did you read the lesson? Lesson number 9 we completed. It was a good story. Did you read it? All of you understood? Do you have any doubts? And notes we started to write. 2 question answers and 1 section of meanings we completed. Did you study that meanings and question answers? I hope all of you completed your studies of that portions. When we started the online classes, when I start to check the homeworks and activities, many are there without completing. That is not at all fair. You should complete the notes and the activities on the same day when you are getting the classes. Don't postpone your activities and notes. Already I told, the writing and studies you can take the time till the next class. Within that 1 week only you want to complete the writing and studies. But notes and activities you have to complete on the same day. Don't postpone. Clear? Okay? And you have to read the lesson. When I ask the questions, many are there without reading the lesson. How many times I told to read the lesson? 5 times. That anyway you have to do. Otherwise you will forget the letters and all. Okay? That won't happen. Okay? Then open the textbook first. Textbook, page number 48. Page number 48, पृष्ठ संख्या 48. पृष्ठ संख्या 48. 1 section of meanings we studied, page number 48. Next side you listen. Next side you listen now. Repeat with me. Chagit. Chagit, amazed. What is the meaning of the word chagit? Chagit means amazed. Buddhiman, Malayalam word. Buddhiman, intelligent. Buddhiman, intelligent. Vidwan, Vidwan. Erudite is given here. You can study scholar. Okay, easy word you can say that the scholar. Vidwan, scholar, you write that S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar. Vidwan, scholar, you write the easy word you study. Vidwan, scholar, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, that also you can write as meaning, no problem. Okay, erudite is given there, no problem. Along with Vidwan also you write, which is easy to you that you can study. Then next word, Chak. Chak means desire, ambition. Okay, Chak, desire. Ra, way, road, path. We studied. Ra, way. Icha, other word for charm, wish or desire. Any word you can write. Okay, Icha, wish or desire you can write. Prachalita, spreading or prevailing. New word you got. Prachalita, prevailing or spreading. Any word you can write as spreading. S-P-R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Spreading. Okay. Prachalita, prevailing or spreading. Easy words I am giving. Anyway, you have to study for that. Astradian, Malayalam word. Astradian, surprise or wonder. Astradian, surprise or wonder. Then next word, Dukhi. That is also Malayalam word. Dukhi, sad. Dukhi, sad. Next word is Prasiddha. Prasiddha means Prasiddha Maya, Malayalam word. Prasiddha, famous. Okay, Prasiddha, famous. Okay. Then study that meanings. Write and study. Don't forget to write and study. Okay. The next section is Maukhik. First section is Sahi Ucharan Karo. Just for reading only. Pronounce correctly. You have to read it correctly. Without mistake, you have to pronounce that words. Repeat with me. Vidushak. Vidushak. Second word, Buddhiman. Buddhiman. Repeat with me. Nischay. Nischay. Then next word is Vidwan. Vidwan, Prajalita, Prasiddha, Kavi, Asteri. In most of the words we can see Samyuktakshar. Okay. That words given that Buddhiman, Nischaya, Vidwan, Prajalita, Prasiddha, Asteri. These words we can see that Samyuktakshar. Okay. That also you want to pronounce properly. If you have any doubt, ask me, no problem. Then next section, Socho, Samacho, Aur, Bedao. What we want to write? We want to answer. This section we will get for 1 mark questions. Okay, or half mark questions we want to, we will get these questions for that section. First question, Vidushak kya kaam karta tha? Vidushak kya kaam karta tha? What is the meaning of that question? Kya means what? What job or what profession or what work that Vidushak joker is doing in the courts. Okay, what he is doing? अपनी हासिल जवाबी और बातों से लोगों को मनोरंजन किया करता था. What Vidushak was doing there? अपनी हासिल जवाबी और बातों से. With his हासिल जवाबी means हासिल जवाबी witty answers or jokey funny answers. और बातों से and his talks or with his words लोगों को मनोरंजन किया करते हैं. He used to entertain the people in the court with his witty or funny answers or his good words. Clear? What was the work done by that? Doing by that Vidushak joker? He is making other people happy with his witty or jokey or funny answers or his words. Clear? Second question. Krishnadevaraj kaham ke shasak de? Krishnadevaraj kaham ke shasak de? Where Krishnadevaraj was ruling or he was ruling in which place? Okay, where he was ruling? Where he was ruling? He was the ruler of Vijayanagar. Write the answer as Vijayanagar came. Krishnadevaraj kaham ke shasak de? Krishnadevaraj was ruling. He was ruling at Vijayanagar. Write the answer as one with Vijayanagar came. Clear? Third question, इस पाठ में किसके बारे में बताया गया है? What is the meaning of the question? इस पाठ में किसके बारे में? About whom we are discussing or we are telling in this lesson. About whom we are discussing? Yes, तेनालीरामन के बारे में. About whom we are discussing? तेनालीरामन के बारे में. Okay. Then next question, क्या आप में हंसने का गुण है? क्या आप में हंसने का गुण है? Whether you have any merits or any what we can say any merits of laughing. If you are laughing or smiling or enjoying, any merits you are getting. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. If your mind is pleasure, what will happen? Our whole life will be pleasant. Okay. Yes or no question. You want to write the answer as what all I used to do. What all the difficulties are there in your life? Always keep our mind as with the happiness. We want to fill the mind with happiness. Think positively. Then our mind will be happy. Clear? Then first two questions we completed, and third question we can write now. Third question. कृष्णदेवराय प्रजा का हाल किस उपाय से जानते थे? What is the third question? What is the पृष्ठ संख्या 49? Page number 49. Third question. कृष्णदेवराय प्रजा का हाल किस उपाय से जानते थे? How Krishnadevaraya is knowing about the well-being of the people. How he is knowing about the people of the country. How he is knowing about the well-being of the people in his country. How he is knowing. कृष्णदेवराय प्रजा का हाल जानने के लिए समय समय पर राज्य के विभिन्न भागों में जाया करते थे. How he is knowing the well-being of his people. कृष्णदेवराय प्रजा का हाल जानने के लिए what कृष्णदेवराय used to know the well-being of his people के लिए समय समय पर राज्य के विभिन्न भागों में जाया करते. He used to visit in different parts of his country at the time being, in different times, so according to the time he used to visit in his country. He used to go here and there in his country to know the well-being of the people. Before going, what he will do, he will ask the courtiers about the places and all. According to their instructions, he used to go here and there to know the well-being of the people of his country. Okay. कृष्णदेवराय प्रजा का हाल की सुबाई से जानते. What is the method? उबाई means तरीका. Method. What is the method? Done or used by कृष्णदेवराय to know the हाल means well-being of his people. What he used to know according to the time, he used to visit different parts of the country to know the well-being. He used to visit the people in different places of his country to know the well-being of his people. Clear? Then fourth question. तेनालीरामन महाराज को कहाँ और कैसे ले गया? तेनालीरामन महाराज को कहाँ means where और कैसे means how. Where did Tenali where and how did Tenali took king to the place where he want to take. Okay, how he taken. Okay, how he to take that king to that place, proper place. We can listen the answer. तेनालीरामन ने महाराज को जहाँ पहुँचा वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे. Okay, where did he took the king? तेनालीरामन ने महाराज को जहाँ पहुँचा. Where did तेनालीरामन brought that king? वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे. The people of that place were very poor. Clear? तेनालीरामन ने महाराज को जहाँ पहुँचा वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे. Where did Tenali took the king? To where that Tenali took the king. वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे. The people of that place were very poor. Okay. Then कैसे? कहाँ? The answer for कहाँ we got. कैसे? How he took the king to that place? तेनालीरामन महावत की जैसे हाथी को चलाकर महाराज को यह गांव में ले गया. How he took the king to that place? Then तेनालीरामन महावत की जैसे like the he took the form of Mahavat. Mahavat means who is Mahavat? I told elephant driver Anapapan. He became a Mahavat, elephant driver, and he took the elephant to that place. महाराज को यह गांव में ले गया. हाथी को चलाकर महाराज को यह गांव में ले गया. In which elephant was used for that king to go there? He became the elephant driver of that elephant. Okay, he became the Mahavat of that elephant. Likewise, he took that king to that proper place. Okay. तेनालीरामन महाराज को कहाँ और कैसे ले गया? तेनालीरामन ने महाराज को जहाँ पहुँचा वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे. तेनालीरामन महावत के जैसे हाथी को चलाकर महाराज को यह गांव में ले गया. Clear? That two questions is over. Then next section पर्याय शब्द. Some notes we can write now. Okay. पर्याय शब्द लेगो. Okay. पर्याय शब्द we used to write to same meaningful words. Two synonyms. If the question is there to write. What we want to write? Same meaningful words. Two synonyms you have to write. Then some words I will give here that you have to study. Pahad. Pahad means mountain. What are the पर्याय शब्द we can write for that one? Parvat, Achal. Okay, Parvat, Achal. Repeat with me. Pahad, Parvat, Achal. Next word, Badal. What we can write for Badal? one word we use it to tell Megham, isn't it? In Malayalam, Megham we use it to tell same word Megh. Megh, Ghan. Okay, Megh, Ghan. Both have same guide cell. Okay. The next word is Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi, student. Vidyarthi. What is Badan? Cloud. Those who want to read the meaning there. Vidyarthi, Chhatra, Shishya. Vidyarthi. What are the same meaningful words we can write there? Chhatra, Shishya. Next word is Din. What are the words we can write for Din? Divas, Diva. Okay, Divas, Diva. Next word is Icha. Icha. What are the words we can write for Icha? Icha means a desire or wish. What are the words we can write? Cha, Abhilasha. Cha, Abhilasha. Meaning of Din, you know, day. Okay, those who want to write the meanings there. Then Raja. Raja means king. What are the synonyms we can write for Raja? Nraba, Naresh. Okay, Nraba, Naresh. Okay, Paryaya Shabda. First one, Pahad, Parvat, Achal, Badal, Megh, Gan, Vidyarthi, Chat, Shishya, Din, Divas, Diva, Icha, Chak, Abhilasha, Raja, Nraba, Naresh. Okay. Then next section is Vilom Shabd Ligho. Next section, Vilom Shabd Ligho. Okay. Then write Garidina. Garidina, opposite. Vilom Shabd means opposite. Okay. Ulta Shabda, Vibridhartak Shabda, that also we use it to write. Here, repeat with me. Garidina, opposite. Bechna. Garidina, opposite. Bechna. Tivra, opposite. Tivra, opposite. Month. Tivra means fast. Garidina, to buy. Those who want to write their Garidina, to buy. B-U-Y, buy. To buy. Vangwa. Garidina, to buy. Tivra. Tivra means Tivra, opposite. Month. Tivra means fast. Okay. Tivra means fast. Opposite. Month. Slow. Then next word is Nidhar. Nidhar means courageous. Okay, courageous. One who is brave. Brave. B-R-A-V-E or brave, courageous. You can write there. Nidhar. Brave. Okay. Nidhar meaning is brave. Opposite is Tarpog. What is the opposite? Tarpog meaning is coward. Who has no courage. Who is not at all brave. Tarpog. Okay. Next word is Pakka. Pakka. Opposite Kacha. Okay, Pakka means good. Okay, Pakka opposite Kacha. Then next one is Bari. Bari means heavy. Opposite is Halka, weightless. Okay, heavyless. Okay, Bari opposite Halka, weightless. Okay, repeat once again. Garidina opposite Bechna. Tivra opposite Mandar. Nidar opposite Tarpo. Pakka opposite Kacha, Bari opposite Halka. Okay. Then next section is Ek Shabd Ligho. A group of words you will get. You want to write the one word for that one. Okay. Ek Shabd Ligho means write the one word. Don't write the meaning at that place. Many were written for the exam. Ek Shabd Ligho Sama, writing the meaning simply there. I don't know why it is. It won't repeat. Okay. Then Ek Shabd Ligho, Achhe Acharan Wala. What is the meaning? Achhe Acharan Wala, who is behaving or doing properly. What is the one word for that one? Sadachari. Okay. Achhe Acharan Wala. One word is Sadachari, who is doing properly. Okay. Then Jismin Kam Belho, who has less strength. Who has less strength. What is the one word for that one? Nirbal. Okay, Nirbal. Then next time, जो मूर्ति बनाता है, जो मूर्ति बनाता है, who is making statues. Who is making statues? Murtikar. Okay, Murtikar. Okay. Then next one is साथ पढ़ने वाला, who is studying with you. What it is? Sahapadi. Okay. साथ पढ़ने वाला, who is studying with you. Okay. What is the one word for that one? Sahapadi. Okay. Then जो अपने देश का हो, what is belongs to our own country. What is the one word for that one? स्वदेशी. Clear? स्वदेशी. First one is अच्छे आचरण वाला, सदाचारी, जिसमें कम बल हो, निर्बल, जो मूर्ति बनाता है, मूर्तिकार, साथ बढ़ने वाला, सहपाठी, जो अपने देश का हो, स्वदेशी. Clear? Then next section is Strilingaligo. What it is Strilingaligo? In Malayalam also you are studying Strilingam. What it is? Feminine gender. Okay. That masculine gender words you will get. You want to write the feminine gender for that one. That is Strilingaligo. Don't confuse Striling and Bahuvachan. Bahuvachan is plural. Striling is feminine gender. Okay. Then write down that one. First one is Balag. What is the feminine gender for that one? Striling for that Balaga. Balika. We want to write A with that Balag. Then we will and E ki matra also for la. Balika. Clear? Budha. Budhiya. Okay. Bai. Bahin. Bai. Bahin. Nar. Nari. Okay. Shir. Sherni. Balak means boy. Balika, girl. Budha. Budha. Buddha, old man. Budha. Budhya, old woman. Okay. Bai, brother. Begin. Sister. Nar, man. Nari, woman. Sher. Share. What it is? Share. Lion. Sherni, lioness. Clear? That also you want to write. Okay. Then next section is we can study from the textbook. After that again we will go to the notebook. That is good. Next see page number 49 in your textbook. See page number 49 in your textbook. See page number 49. What it is? Kisne. Section number 3. Section number 3. Keep your finger there down. Page number 49. Page number 49. पृष्ठ संख्या 49 49. किसने किससे कहा? किसने किससे कहा? What is the meaning of that question? किसने who? किससे to who? कहा means told. Who said to whom? Or who told given sentences to whom? Okay. If you are listening carefully, you can score the full mark from this section. Okay, listen carefully. If you know the meanings only, you can write the answers properly. Clear? First one, kadan. Kadan means sentence. आप मेरे गाँव चलिए. आप मेरे गाँव चलिए. That is a sentence given there. Who told this sentence? Who told this sentence? किसने कहा? किसने कहा means who told this sentence? And आप मेरे गाँव चलिए. Who told? मंत्री ने. Who told this sentence in our lesson? मंत्री ने. To whom this sentence is told? To whom किससे कहा? महाराज से. Okay. मंत्री ने महाराज से. The answer is मंत्री ने महाराज से. Clear? Then next sentence is इस बार तो मेरे गाँव पर ही कृपा करे. इस बार तो मेरे गाँव पर ही कृपा करे. This time please give pity to my own village. Likewise who told? इस बार तो मेरे गाँव पर ही कृपा करे. This time please give or please come to my village. Likewise who told? Who told that sentence? Yeah, सेनापति ने. सेनापति ने महाराज से. Okay, who told this sentence? सेनापति ने. To whom told this sentence? Maharaj say. If Maharaj coming only, they will get the privileges. That village will get the privileges. If others are coming, privilege they will get. Any no. Then he is telling the sentence to whom Maharaj say. Okay. Then third sentence you see. आपका हाथी जिधर ले जाए उधर ही जाए. What is the meaning of that sentence? आपका हाथी जिधर ले जाए उधर ही जाए. Where your elephant is taking you, there you go. Likewise who told? किसने कहा, किसने कहा, उस वाक्य किसने कहा, या तेनालीरामन ने, तेनालीरामन ने टू होम किससे कहा, महाराज से। ओके, तेनालीरामन ने महाराज से, किसने कहा, तेनालीरामन ने कहा, किससे कहा, टू होम दे टोल्ड द सेंटेंस, महाराज से। क्लियर। देन फोर्थ सेंटेंस, हाथी हमें बिल्कुल सही स्थान पर लाया है। हाथी हमें बिल्कुल सही स्थान पर लाया है। The elephant brought us entirely in a, definitely in a proper place. The elephant brought us in a proper place. Okay. Who told the sentence? Who told the sentence? Yes, Maharaj ne. To whom he told the sentence? Many people accompanied him. When he started the journey to the village, some people from the court came along with him. He told the sentence to the people who came with him. Maharaj ne log say, those people were there. To them he told the sentence. Clear? Then see Prishta Sankhya 50. Prishta Sankhya 50. You see here Prishta Sankhya 50. Then fourth section is there. Sahi uttar chant kar tik ka chin legao. What we want to hear, some choose the right answer from that one. Two answers are given there. Proper answer you want to find out and put the tick mark in the proper column. Okay. Then first question, Tenali kya da? What was Tenali or who was Tenali? Answers are given as Ek Vidushak. Second answer is given as Ek Mantri. Who was Tenali? Tenali was a, he was a, उसने एक विदूषक था, ने एक विदूषक. Put the tick mark in the first column. एक विदूषक, first column put the tick mark. Okay. तेनालीरामन एक विदूषक था. What answer? Second one, कृष्णदेवराय कहां के राजा था. कृष्णदेवराय कहां के राजा था. Where Krishnadevaraya was ruling, or which country was belonging to Krishnadevaraya. Okay, in which country he was ruling? One is given as Ahmednagar ke. Second one is given as Vijayanagar ke. Where he was ruling? He was ruling at Vijayanagar. We all are knowing. Put the tick mark in the second column. Vijayanagar ke. Put the tick mark in the second column. Vijayanagar ke. Clear? Then third one. तेनालीरामन के समान अन्य कौन व्यक्ति था? When we started the lesson, I told. Then when Akbar was ruling in North India, at that time there also was one Vidushak, uska naam tha Birbal, and he also used to solve the problem with his intelligence, cleverness, and his witty answers, his jokey answers that we discussed. Okay. But then the question is, तेनालीरामन के समान अन्य कौन व्यक्ति था? Which is the other person as तेनालीरामन? Which is the other person as तेनालीरामन? Birbal is the first answer. Akbar is the second answer. Akbar was the ruler at that time. Birbal was the Vidushak. Okay, put the tick mark in the first column. Birbal. Okay, put the tick mark in the first column. Birbal. You got? Okay. Then next section is Bhasha Gyan. Grammar part is given here. Okay. What it is? A लगाकर विलोम शब्द बनाओ. What we want to do? We want to add a with the given words and we want to make a new word that will be the opposite of the given word. Okay, sometimes we will get the opposite by adding or some other letters with the given words, and we used to get the vilom shabd. Okay, likewise we want to write some vilom shabd here. We can listen that word. First word is prasanna. First word is prasanna, and we are adding a with that present. Present means happy. We will get a present. Unhappy. Okay. Write the answer given here. Present opposite a present. Okay. Then second one is dear. Dear means courageous. We are adding a with that dear and we are getting the opposite as adir. Adir means courageless. Okay. Courageless. Covered. Okay. Covered. Then third word is Gyan. Gyan means Gyan, knowledge. Okay. We are adding a with the Gyan and we are getting a new word as Akhyan. Those who have no knowledge. Malayalam word is Ajnata. Okay. Then Akhyan. Okay. Then fourth one is Nyay. Nyay means justice. We are adding a with the Nyay and we are getting Anyay, injustice. Okay. Nyay. We are adding a with the Nyay. We are getting the opposite of Nyay, that is Anyay means injustice. Clear? Okay. Present opposite, a present. Repeat with me. Present opposite, a present. Dir opposite, a dir. Gyan opposite, a gyan. And Nyay opposite, Anyay. Okay, first section. And second section, we can listen how we are getting the opposites. Okay. Second section, listen. An लगाकर विलोम शब्द बनाओ. What we want to do? We want to join an with the given word and we want to write the opposite. We will get the opposite. If we are adding an with the given word, we will get the opposite. Okay. Shall we listen? First one is other. Other means respect, to respect. And we are adding an with that other and we are getting another. Okay. Not respecting. Okay. Other, we are getting another by adding an with that other and we are getting the opposite, that is another. Clear? Other opposite another. Then second word is Jan. Okay. Jan means to know. Okay. Jan, like or like also we use to tell. And we are adding an with that Jan and we are getting a new word as Anjan. Okay. With lifeless. Okay. Jan opposite Anjan. Okay. Lifeless. Okay. Then third word is Suna. Suna means Suna, to hear. Okay. Here. And we are adding Ansuna. Adding an with that word and we are getting the word as Ansuna. Okay. We are getting the word as Ansuna. Clear? Suna is the word. We are adding an with that Suna and we are getting a new word as Ansuna. Clear? Then fourth one is Phad. Phad means to study. Then we are adding an with that Phad. We are getting a opposite word as Unphad. Clear? Repeat with me. Other opposite another. Jan opposite Anjan. Suna opposite Ansuna. Phad opposite Unphad. Here. Then next section is नीचे कुछ संख्या शब्द दिए जा रहे हैं. इन्हें सही शीर्षक के नीचे लिखो. What we want to do? Some noun words are given here. इन्हें सही शीर्षक के नीचे लिखो. Two headings are given here. We want to sort out and we want to write in the proper column. Which of the sections are given there? व्यक्तिवाचक संख्या and जातिवाचक संख्या given there. When we studied that sankhya, what is the definition of sankhya? Third grade onwards we are studying. What is the definition of sankhya? Sankhya, what is the meaning of sankhya? Sankhya means noun. Okay. Then what is the definition of sankhya? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जाति, भाव या स्थान के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. The name of a particular person or व्यक्ति. What it is? Jati, proper category or one, and stan, place, or bhav, behavior. of place. Name is calling as Sankhya that we study. And here here two sections are given there. What is the sections? Vyaktivachak and Jadivachak is given there. Vyakti means a proper person's name, proper name, special name, that is Vyakti. Jadi means a particular group of things or persons or animals. Okay, particular group, Jadi. Clear? Then we can see Tenali Raman. That is personal name or particular group's name. Tenali Raman is a name of a person. That is Vyaktivachak Sankhya. That you want to write in the column of Vyaktivachak Sankhya. Second one is Krishna Deva Rai. That also name of a person, name of that king. Okay, that also you want to write in the column of Vyaktivachak Sankhya. Then next one is Vidushak. That is a group of people. Okay, many Vidushak will be there. Okay, that you want to write in the column of Jadivachak Sankhya. Then next one also Maharaj. Many kings will be there, like group of people. Okay, that you want to write in Jadivachak Sankhya column. Next one is Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is the name of a special country, stan. That you want to write in that Vyaktivachak. And Hathi. Hathi you want to write which many elephants is a group of animals. Hathi. Then you want to write it in the column of Jadivachak Sankhya. And Birbal. It is the name of a person. You want to write in the column of Vyaktivachak Sankhya. And next one is Mandri. That you want to write in which column? Write in which column? Jadivachak Sankhya. Okay. All of you got. Okay. Tenali Raman Vyaktivachak Sankhya. Krishna Deva Rai Vyaktivachak Sankhya. Vidushak Jadivachak Sankhya. Maharaj Jadivachak Sankhya. Vijayanagar Vyaktivachak Sankhya. Hathi Jadivachak Sankhya. Birbal Vyaktivachak Sankhya. And Mandri Jadivachak Sankhya. Column. Okay. And what is the Kriyatmak Gatividhi given there? Activity given there? हाथी का चित्र बनाकर रंग भरो और हाथी पर 4 वाक्य लिखो. You want to draw the picture of elephant and you want to write about elephant. For sentence you want to write about the elephant. Anyway, we can avoid that writing. Drawing already I informed you to do the first page of this lesson. Okay, draw the picture of elephant and color it with the crayons or color pencil. I told. Next online class I will ask the activity you have to show me. Okay. Don't happen as on previous class. Okay, when I started to ask the activity, many are there without doing that one. You won't repeat. Activities you have to complete on that day itself when I was giving. Clear? Okay, it should be there in your notebook. Draw the picture of elephant and color with the crayons or color pencil. Okay. Then shall we wind up the class now? Shall we wind up the class now? Okay, we can wind up the class now. And nowadays you should be more hygiene and be careful. Same epidemic is spreading here and there. I don't know how it is going on in your home. Anybody is there in this COVID-19? I am not knowing about that one. Some are falling from here and there. They are in quarantine. Some of your grandparents got this disease. Parents are getting, and you will take more care. You should be more hygiene. You need to go outside of your home. Be there in your home. Be home and be safe. Okay. Thank you, children.